Hey guys, LM500 Gaming here, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are solving the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Okay, one second. Okay, so let's solve it. I already unscrambled a little bit. I'm going to unscramble it just like a little tiny bit more. This method I didn't get from YouTube. I actually just, I spent a couple hours at my mom's office one day, and I was able to just figure it out randomly, so I decided to upload a video about it. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so while I'm solving this, I want to let you know that if you want me to do a tutorial for how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, I will gladly do one. You just have to comment that down in the video. Just comment that, and I might do a video on how to solve it. The algorithms are not that difficult. Okay. This algorithm that I'm doing right now is pretty difficult, but other than that, the other algorithms are pretty fine. And there we go, we solved it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And bye guys!